Hello everyone, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are going to be making some nice and refreshing Key Lime Beergaritas. Let's get drinking. First, you're going to add 2 pumps of our key lime craft puree, and then you are going to add 1 pump of our clear agave nectar. All right, next you're gonna add 1 whole lime. We're just gonna juice it straight into the shaker. Next, we're going to add 3 ounces of silver tequila, as well as 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of ice and give it a good shake. All right, we're gonna let that settle and we are going to garnish our glasses. I have lime juice and some coarse salt here. Add some ice to your glasses. Give this one more shake and drain that in there. Now for the beer part, we're just gonna add some Corona in there, top it off. Add a little bit more ice. Now we're gonna garnish with the lime wedge like the perfect margarita has. There you have it, Key Lime Beergaritas. Thank you for watching. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also be sure to follow us on our channel and subscribe to our newsletter. Cheers!